Hey, look, I know you've been busy lately, and I know that I said I'd be there, but something came up, and I just need you to call back, alright? It's driving me crazy.
Hey, hello, yeah, I know that I've been distant from my telephone. Maybe because I had plans and I just couldn't go. No, I couldn't go. Still I'm all alone, now you want me and I don't know where to go. You know, how to make me feel like someone else is home. You know, you're on my mind, you're on my mind, yeah, yeah. When I call in the morning, will you tell me you want it? Or will I be disappointed once again? Yeah, now I just think you should know that I'm not feeling you anymore. So when you call in the morning, please don't tell me that
Boy, I can't explain. My heart's been so conflicted with what's in my brain. Cause I don't want more to ruin what we've had is great, and I'm not ready for it to end. Oh, my mind has changed. I couldn't find the words, so I just never came. Cause I was so afraid things wouldn't be the same, and I don't wanna go through this again.
yeah, but when I call in the morning, will you tell me you want it? Or will I be disappointed once again? Yeah, and I just think you should know that I'm not feeling it anymore. So when I call in the morning, please don't tell me that I'm yours. When I call in the morning, will you tell me you want it? Or will I be disappointed once again?